see that you're doing very well. Ha, you looking very well.
Welcome back to my channel. Why am I holding this mirror? I am kashiajabre, and today I will be showing you guys this highly requested hairstyle that I put on Snapchat like a month ago before I got my box braids. And basically all it is, well, I'll just insert a picture. So yeah, a lot of people slid up and was like, you need to do a tutorial. No. I asked. I was like, should I do a tutorial on this? And everybody was like, yeah, but then that same day I end up getting box braids, so I never got the chance to do it. So now that my box braids are out, oh, mind you guys, I did do a video on me taking out my box braids, but I didn't want to upload it because I felt like it was boring. I had the flu and like I just felt like my spirit wasn't like how it would normally be, so I didn't want to post it. But if you guys still want to see that, comment down below because I will upload it if you guys want to see it. But like I was saying, so here I am. I'm about to give you guys the full tutorial. I'm about to give you guys the scoop. I'm about to go jump in the shower right now, and I'm gonna detangle my hair with the Aussie Moist conditioner, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna go through this whole process together. Nothing on my eyebrows. I have on no mascara, no lip gloss, no nothing. My baby hairs is like coming up. I'm gonna get in the shower now. Okay, so I am back and out the shower, and this thing is driving me crazy. Shower, I use this t-shirt to like not fully dry my hair. I didn't press it on my hair. I just needed it not to like drip down on me while I was trying to dry off. So yeah, my hair has leave-in conditioner in it. It's really wet, but that's how I like to work on my hair because any other way it's just gonna be like hard to manage. I don't know why, but like always when I take out my braids, my hair is like super duper hard to manage and it's super duper dry. So yeah, so my hair is already detangled, as you guys can see. The first step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just create my part. So while I'm doing this, I'm just gonna talk to y'all because it's been some crazy stuff going on. When I say crazy, I mean crazy stuff going on. So I recently lost like a best friend, and I'm okay. So don't be in the comments like, oh my god, are you okay? I'm cool. I'm cool. This is not the first time, probably won't be the last time. It just been like a whole lot of unnecessary stuff going on, stuff that didn't even have to happen. It just happened. But I believe that everything happens for a reason, so I'm not tripping on it, you know? Schoolwork has been crazy. That's why I have not been up. That's another reason I haven't been uploading. The first reason is because I had the flu. That's number one. And number two, when I went back to school, of course, I had a lot of makeup work. So work right now is like crazy. It's another life update. Let me see what else. On the bright side, I'm about to hit 30K on YouTube, and I just want to say thanks to everybody who has supported me from the very beginning and everybody who supports me now. I appreciate y'all too. I don't want y'all to think like just because I appreciate all of you guys who support me, period. Yeah, I just appreciate all of you guys for sticking with me through this whole process. Like, I'm only 15 and I'm about to hit 30K on YouTube. Like, this is a big deal. Like, I've always wanted to do this, but I just never really thought like, I don't know, I just never really thought it would be like serious. Thank you guys for being here and subscribing to my channel or just watching my videos. You know, I appreciate all of it. And by the way, I am brushing out my hair right now. I like to smooth it so that I can begin applying my product, and then I'm gonna start braiding. But like I was saying, sometimes I don't really like, it's like surreal, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't know how to explain it. Like I can't believe like I'm actually doing this. We going up. I'm done rambling. I'm about to just do the tutorial for you guys. So yeah. So now that my hair is smoothed down at the top, I'm going to apply my moisturizer, and this is the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. So I'm just gonna put this all over my head because while my hair is in this style, I like for my hair to be very moisturized, so I always put on a moisturizer on top of my leave-in. And last but not least, I'm going to add my Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil, and I'm just gonna pretty much just put this on my ends mostly because them bad boys get dry. Oh, I didn't waste oil. Oh well, oil is good for the body. Since I'm a perfectionist, I'm about to go back in and make sure my part is clean, because you know what I'm saying, my part need to be cutting people while I'm walking by. You feel me? Like, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back in with my paddle brush and I'm gonna continue smoothing so that I can start applying my gel. So y'all gotta use the green one because I left the gold one somewhere, so don't be mad at me, guys. It was an accident. I'm just gonna place this all over the surface of where the braid is gonna be. All in the back. And now what you want to do is you want to create a part straight down the middle of your head, and you want to apply gel to the part. You want to do the same thing to the other side. And I really don't too much care about my part being straight, because like, who gonna check me about it? Like, what you gonna say, your part is crooked? Yeah, no. So I like to start on the largest part first, so I'm just going to section this part off, and I'm gonna smooth it one time again. So now I'm gonna take my bristle brush and I'm going to just lay my hair flat as possible. Some in my eye. So how I like to start braiding is I just make a part like so, smooth it. Y'all, do not mind my nails, I got an appointment tomorrow. I just start braiding as close to my hairline as possible. So once I get like halfway, I start braiding back instead of closer to my hairline. So now I just take my paddle brush and smooth my ends, and I continue braiding all the way down until I just can't braid anymore. So at the end of the braid, I just twirl my hair around my fingers so that I will have a nice coil. So now that I'm done with this braid, I am going to start on this one. So as for all of this product in my hair, what I like to do is take a t-shirt and just squeeze so that all the excess moisture can come out. So guys, this is my favorite part. This is what makes the hairstyle like pop. Like you can't do this hairstyle and skip this step. Like, so I'm just gonna lay my baby hairs with my toothbrush. Now that my braids are finished and my baby hairs are freaking laid, what I'm gonna do is, if I can find it, take my satin scarf and I'm just gonna tie this bad boy as tight as I can without getting a headache. I'm just gonna tie this around my head. So I'm going to sleep like this, and I'll see you guys in the morning, okay? So it is the next morning, and I'm running late. This is nothing new. I'm just gonna take off my scarf, and this is what it's looking like. As you guys can see, my sideburns are looking a little crazy, so I gotta fix those. Put some water on them. They'll come back. My baby hairs are good. I don't need to do nothing to them. But so guys, this is how I normally get this hairstyle. So if you enjoyed this, then please do not forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel, because I'm lit. And once you hit that subscribe button, you can be lit too, and we can be lit together. So like, just waiting on. But anyway, I gotta head to school now, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you.
Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well.